Today, we're diving into the ocean to draw one of the most playful and intelligent creatures, the dolphin. First, let's add the dolphin's beak. Extend a long, curved triangle shape. Next, let's add the fins. Draw an upper fin on top of the body. The fin is triangular, but with a slightly curved back edge. Then draw a curved line for a body. Then add other fin of dolphin. Now draw one more long curved line. Now add a tail at the end of the body. Now draw a curved line for the mouth. Then draw a big circle for eye. Then draw one more circle in it. Now it's time to highlight our drawing with marker. Let's clean up our drawing by erasing any unnecessary guidelines and refining the edges of our shapes. Now our drawing is completed, so it's time to add some colors to make it more attractive. Thanks for drawing with me today. I hope you enjoyed creating this dolphin as much as I did. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Art Hub by Amy for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time and keep creating.